Out a couple of things here. Okie dokes. All right. Item number 1. If we go to our page on My Notre Dame, we scroll all the way to the bottom where it says announcements. There's an announcement called IA surveys. So all of these ones with hyperlinks are linked to a survey that a student from another class needs help collecting data for. If everyone, let me rephrase. If every senior, juniors, you don't have to do this. Seniors, if every senior fills out every survey, everyone in the class plus 3 on the next test. Okay? Today, what we're going to do is I'd like you to work on problems 7 through 14 on the book problems, doing the same thing we've been doing the last 2 lessons. While you guys are working or filling out surveys, I'm going to call up pairs of students. I'll randomly select you guys. They're going to come up and do one of these 8 problems with me on the board, just so we can kind of talk through and you can get some additional feedback about how you're doing, what's going on. It's fine if you haven't done it yet. You're going to do it together. Everybody's okay?
Yeah.
That's the plan. So it's mostly on your own. You'll get, 5 minutes or so with Mr. Kulik to kind of talk through a problem with somebody else. You don't have to do it on your own. It may be a problem you have or have not started yet, which is fine. Everybody cool?
Yes. Yeah.
Fair enough?
Wait, are the surveys on the bulletin?
So if you go to the announcements, they're the very bottom thing on the My Notre Dame. It says IA surveys. If you click on it, they all drop down, and there's lots of them.
Yeah. And then we just pick every single reading that.
Everyone where there's a hyperlink, there's a survey. If they're crossed out, there's nothing you need to do. If there's no hyperlink, there's nothing you need to do. So the remaining 80 minutes or so of class, you can, if you're a senior and you want to take some time and fill out these surveys, because I'm going to forget, Mr. Kulik, if I don't do it right now. Totally understandable. Ideally, I'd like these surveys completed by Monday or Tuesday next week. Most of them are short, just like a handful of questions. Do your best to answer to the best of your ability. Make an educated guess. Most of them say, estimate how much, blah, 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 you do this on average. Just make your best guess. Everybody cool? If you're not doing surveys, you can be working on these 8 problems or the Delta Math from last time or the 2 handouts I gave you the time before that. The problem set for Sunday is the 2 handouts and the Delta Math. Those are the 2 things for Sunday. This will be next week, these 8 problems. Everybody cool? All right, I'm going to stop talking and let you guys get started. I'm going to give you guys 20 or 30 minutes here to kind of do some stuff before I start calling groups. Everybody has sound okay?
Yeah.
All right. Cool.